True or false? Organic chemistry is a pre-health professions weed out course. I'm going to answer this and a lot of the questions based on what I thought when I was a student, and then kind of finish that with what I think now. And coming into organic chemistry for myself, I was interested in becoming a physician. I wanted to be a pediatrician. And I believed the reputation on campus was that organic chemistry was in fact a weed out course for medical school. There was a professor on campus that was highly respected, and he was also happened to be the pre-med advisor, and so it was thought, do well in this course, and you'll set your path, and if you don't, you won't. And that's not an implication of the professor, but just kind of what we expected for that process of becoming a physician. Um, Fast forward to now, it's not a weed out course. It is a challenging course. It's difficult, and you do need to know this material for the MCAT. But to assign that kind of power to an individual course, I think, is dangerous and creates a bit more intimidation than there needs to be. The material is complicated, but you can do this. It may take changing strategies. It may take extra work. It may take an extra try, but the course itself is not what's going to keep you from medical school or dental school or vet school or graduate school, whatever it is you want to do. It's going to be what's going to keep you from doing that is you deciding that it's no longer worth the effort. As long as you're willing to put in the effort, as long as you think it's worth the effort, you can be any one of these things. A course like organic chemistry is not going to be what stands in your way. And I mean that.